Hi guys, and welcome to the Android Tutorial YouTube channel. Today I want to show you the Fossil Q Sport Touchscreen Smartwatch, which it just came out last week. So I bought this for a friend and I'm unboxing it. And first of all, I wanted to show you the box. So here's the device. The device is very cool. It's very good looking. I already saw it live. And here it says Wear OS by Google, Fossil Q, Wear OS by Google, and yeah, not much. So in the back it says, first of all, that it supports Android OS 4.4 and up, obviously. And it says it has Bluetooth 4.1 and so on. It doesn't have a lot of instructions or information. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so we got the blue one, and this is the 42 inch. So I'm just gonna take it out of the box. Okay, so it's opening this way, and here you have the watch. So I'm gonna get it out. Okay, so what's in the box? First of all, here's the charger, which basically comes in like in a cradle. So it's quite small, to be honest with you. It's very small. And it's USB. It doesn't bring a brick, so you'll have to get a power cord or a brick for your own. So here it says charge on, step 2, download and pair, which I already have a video about that. I'm not gonna do another video on how to do it. I'm gonna leave it in the video description. And here it says heart rate. So it does come with a GPS and a heart rate monitor, which is fantastic. As is obviously this is for sports. So I'm gonna get it out. Okay. So first of all, Fossil Q, and here is the model I bought. So I bought the FTW4021. It says made in China, strap China. This is I'll take it out. Yep, this is the GPS, built-in GPS. It says made in China. This is the model number, and that's it. It does come with something I like with these straps. So as you can see here, you got the straps, and you're able to strap on whatever other strap you like best. So there are a lot from Fossil. So if you want to put it back, you just place the pin in here and just slide it over, and that's it. It's secure once again. So as you can see, it's 100% circular, and it has 3 buttons here. This one is for Google Fit. This is to get into your applications. And this one is for whatever application you want. It's basically, you could set it up however you want. So a couple of notes. This comes with Wear OS, the H version, which came out this week. Apparently it has better battery life-saving tips and tricks, and so on. It's a good looking device. It uses the whole dimension of the watch, which I like a lot. And yeah, that's basically it. I like it a lot. I'm not gonna turn it on because I want to do another review about that. But if you have any questions, hit them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That helps us a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.